132 credit program, almost 300 to 400 case studies, 1500 hours of extensive training, faculty from top renowned institutions of this country. Maybe it is all top B schools of the country, or maybe it is a corporate sector. These are certain unique features of this program called Hyper PGDM. When we were planning to start this program in Madhya Pradesh, it was something like that you have to break the ice, because autonomous programs has its own credibility and quality. So when we started this program in 2009, we thought that let us hold those 60 bright minds from going outside from Madhya Pradesh. If they are moving outside this state for the exposure sake, let us call that exposure to this particular state. With that blend, we started this program. And it's the second batch which is in, and we are very happy that whatever we have planned in this particular program, we are delivering more than that. The biggest quality of this program is that it is managed by an executive council which is chaired, and the composition of that particular executive council comprises of top renowned personnel of this country. So after having a 10 years or decade experience in management program called MBA, we thought that now it's high time to start with the autonomous program. In Madhya Pradesh, although we are standing at #1 position, now the challenge is to bring this program also to that particular level. And I am satisfied, and I can assure the stakeholders for this particular institution as well as the corporate sector and the society that Hyper is committed to deliver the quality manpower to the corporate sector and for many years to come.
It gives me great pleasure to present a group of 60 future managers who are going through the transformation process as part of Hyper PGDM program. These students are from diverse disciplines like engineering, science, commerce and IT. These students have successfully completed their summer internship assignments with leading organizations like Reliance, Airtel, Tata, ITC, Godrej, SDFC Bank. We feel that students are industry ready and expect that a student would be able to add value to these organizations, and industry would also find these students up to the expectations. I would like to invite industry and corporates to visit the institution, interact with the students, find the students who are suitable for their roles.